Dear students, today we are going to discuss compound microscope. Compound microscope is a topic from the ray optics and very important for the board exam. Compound microscope is the arrangement of two convex lenses. One is termed as objective, another one is termed as eye lens. Let an object AB is placed in front of first lens objective at a small distance from the objective lens. A parallel ray of light incident on first lens. After refraction, it passes through the focus of the objective and again incident on the eye lens. And another ray of light incident on the objective lens passes through the optical center. Undeviated after refraction, it again falls on the eye lens. Where these two rays meets, they form a real, inverted and magnified image of object AB, of tiny object AB. But this tiny object is again serves as the object. This tiny image AB or magnified image A dash B dash of a small object AB is serves as object for the eye lens. Here, if we retraces the refracted rays from the eye lens in backward direction, then they meet at B double dash and forms a highly magnified virtual image A double dash B double dash. This is the case that object lies inside the focus of convex lens, inside the focus of convex lens A dash B dash, that is inside the focus of eye lens A dash B dash, and convex lens forms virtual, erected and highly magnified image as shown. Here UO is the separation of object from objective. BO is the separation of image formed by the objective. This BO or this A dash B dash serves as object for the eye lens. Therefore, UE, that is separation from eye lens to the A dash B dash, is named as UE, and this eye lens forms the final image at least distance of distinct vision, capital D, as shown. Magnifying power or angular magnification. Magnifying power of a compound microscope is defined as the ratio of angle subtended at eye by the final image to the angle subtended at eye by the object when both are placed at least distance of distinct vision from eye. Mathematically, it may be written as m equal to beta by alpha. In the previous diagram, that is in the ray diagram of compound microscope, we mark the angles alpha and beta. Using that diagram, magnification m equal to beta by alpha. Being alpha and beta very small, we may write it as tan beta and tan alpha. Using this, using above equation, we may calculate tan beta as a double dash b double dash upon a double dash e, and tan alpha as ab upon a double dash e. Now m equal to tan beta a double dash b double dash upon a double dash e into a double dash e upon ab. Now m equal to a double dash b double dash upon ab. This equation may be rearranged as by multiplying on numerator and denominator by a dash b dash. We may write it a dash b dash upon a dash b dash. M equal to a double dash b double dash upon a dash b dash into a dash b dash upon ab. This a double dash b double dash upon ab is named as magnification produced by Ions, and a dash b dash upon ab is termed as magnification produced by objective, and therefore total magnification of compound microscope is the product of magnification produced by eye lens multiplied by magnification produced by objective, or magnification produced by objective multiplied by magnification produced by eye lens. But ME equal to B by UE, that is B by U. Using lens equation, we have 1 by Fe equal to 1 by B minus 1 by U. Multiplying this equation throughout by VE, we have equal to 1 minus B by UE. B by UE equal to 1 minus B by Fe. But for eye lens, that is image separation for eye lens is given by VE, and in the considering case we have VE equal to minus D. That is, in the case when final image is formed at infinity, when final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, it means image separation from eye lens is capital D. But this D is lies left side to the eye lens, therefore taken as negative, and therefore VE by UE equal to 1 plus D by Fe. But magnification produced by objective MO equal to A dash equal to A dash B dash by AB. Magnification produced by objective is given by A dash B dash by AB equal to BO by minus UO. Using these two equations of MO and ME, we have M equal to MO into ME. Value of MO is BO by UO or BO by minus UO, and that of ME is 1 plus D by Fe. This m equal to VO by mod UO 1 plus D by FE. This is the expression for magnification of compound microscope when final image is found at least distance of distinct vision. When object is very close to focus of objective, then UO may be written as UO equal to FO equal to focal length of objective, and if A dash B dash is formed very close to the eye lens, then it may be written as BO almost equal to L, length of microscope. And using these two, the new expression may be written as M equal to L by minus FO 1 plus D by FE, or negative may be omitted by using mod of FO.